Well, it's been a long journey, 23 years. I'm very thankful to Almighty. I have to thank a lot of people, my family, my parents especially, for all this journey. It's a great feeling that, I've played for so many years for Goa, including the IPL and everything. In a sportsman's life, one day this has to come, you have to call it off a day, and I'm glad that, I felt it that it was in past couple of weeks. It was in my mind to call it off, and I'm very happy that I've taken this decision. A wonderful journey. I have no regrets in my whole career. Whatever I have represented, my contribution to Goa cricket, to first class, whether it is IPL, I'm immensely proud of it, and I feel very happy that I really worked hard, and whatever I did, I gave my best on the ground, and I feel very proud about it. It's a different feeling, to play IPL for almost 9 to 10 years and being with one of the most successful team and helping them to win the trophies. So it was a dream come true. When as a child, when you see players like Sachin, Rahul, on TV playing, and that time I also wanted to had that dream of coming, on TV and playing, and I'm very happy that I could fulfill my dream, and if I can inspire, coming cricketers in Goa with my achievements, and from whatever knowledge or experience I have to contribute to them. That will be a big moment for me as well. You have to really work hard for years on your games. There's a lot of things involved, not only your skills but discipline, on and off the field. So these are a lot of things. Whenever I meet young cricketers, coming up, I always speak to them regarding this, the amount of hard work that you have to put in, the discipline, you have to bring into your life if you want to achieve something. But we have good talented cricketers here, and hopefully the things recently, there's a lot of good things happening in Goa cricket. A lot of players are getting involved in groundwork level, with coaching assignments, and GCA introducing recently with the under 14 2 days school tournament. So that's a good sign for the grassroots level, and I'm very happy that things have changed under Suraj Lotlikar's leadership right now, and Goa Cricket Association management, everything involving the place. So I'm very happy to see all these things.